Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fluent chat with Arijik. In this video, okay, you know that in the last video I had just shared the five beautiful or the simple tricks to just improve your English speaking skills. And guess what? I had also just promised you to just bring you even more exciting things. Okay, that's already I have in my hand today to introduce you. Okay, so in this video we are going to just talk about the five common mistakes that the people usually make in their conversations and mistakes that you can't even just realize how these things are just happening. But don't worry, I will not just point them all out. I will just give you the right way to just say them. So I have just gathered some of the very important words which we do not really know how to just use them in our daily conversation. So let us just go one by one. Okay, I will discuss them. So all right, let's get started. So the very first thing is, you know about one word. That word is good. We are always habituated at using these goods. If someone just asks us about how you are, we are always telling that we are good. But instead of using good, you can just tell well. Because why we should say well? So imagine this, that someone just asks you how are you, and you said I'm good. Sounds fine, right? No. But you do not know, or you didn't know that I'm good is just grammatically incorrect in the context. So what is the correct one? Instead of using I'm good, what you can tell, I am doing well or I'm fine. The correct way to say it is that I'm doing well, simply, or I'm fine. And good is actually, for your kind of information, I just want to tell you, good is an adjective, while well is an adverb, which means it's the right choice to, it's just right choice when you just talk about how fine you are. So you would always try to say I'm doing well or I'm fine, simply. So next time when someone just asks you how are you, just surprise them by saying I'm doing well. Okay, now moving forward to our second mistakes, that that whenever someone is asking you some questions just like this, can you able to, now here is another common mistakes. Have you ever heard someone say that can you able to help me, or can you able to do this? Well, that's incorrect, because can already means ability, and then adding able to makes it more confusion, that. So instead of saying can you able to do help me, you can tell can you help me, that's it. So instead saying can you able to, you just say can you. For example, can you help me with this? This is a simple and very, very correct. And moving forward to our third one, what we can say about, we are very habituated about, let us just discuss about this matter or something like that. But instead of saying discuss, you just discuss about, you just tell discuss. Why? Because this one is very tricky. People often say let's discuss about this matter, but did you know the word discuss is already meant to just talk about something? So there is no any unnecessary things to just add about about. Okay, let's just discuss about. Understood? So instead of saying let's discuss about this, you just tell let's discuss this. The correct way to say it, let's discuss this. So try it in the next time whenever you just having the conversation. So moving forward to our fourth one, we say more better instead of saying better. So have you ever heard someone saying that this movie is more better than other one? Oops, that's double comparison, that. So instead of saying this is more better, you just say this is better. So better is already means more good. So adding more before it is just incorrect. So say it, this is better. Trust me, it sounds smoother and just more natural. Just to moving to our very last mistakes that we do is that often you just hear the people saying that I didn't knew. Okay, instead of saying I didn't know. This is a classic mistake people usually make in their conversations. So instead of saying that I didn't knew, you can just tell that I didn't know. We always use the base form of the verb whenever we are talking about didn't or don't. in that cases we use always the base form of the verb. Okay, instead of saying that I didn't know, you just tell I don't know. That sounds more prettier. So the correct sentence is I didn't know. That's how you can say this. Okay, at the end, in the conclusion, I just want to tell you, so there you have already got the 5 common mistakes that the people really make in their daily conversation. But now that you knew them, so what you gonna do is that you just try to not repeat them again and again, right? Now here is a challenge for you. Comment below which mistakes that you have made before. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to just like, share, and just subscribe to the Fluent Chat with Arijek, for getting more fun and easy English learning tips. So see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and keep learning. Bye bye.